Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to add a link to your Snapchat. Adding a link can help you share web content, blog posts, or even direct your friends to your favorite websites. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. By default, the app will open to the Explore section, also known as the Camera section. Take a picture by tapping the Capture button at the bottom center of the screen. Step 3. Once you've taken your picture, it's time to add a link. Tap on the paperclip icon located on the right side of the screen. This will open up the Link Attachment menu. Step 4. In the Link Attachment menu, you have two options. You can either paste in the link you want to add by tapping on the text field and selecting Paste, or you can manually type in the link by tapping on the text field and entering the URL. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a link to your Snapchat and share web content or direct your friends to your favorite websites. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.